Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate data collection with AWS detailed guide step by step clearly. First, log into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the AWS Services dashboard. Search for and select Amazon S3. Create a new S3 bucket to store your collected data. Choose a unique name for your bucket. Select the appropriate region for your data storage. Configure permissions to allow access to your bucket. Next, set up AWS Lambda for automation. Go to the Lambda service in the AWS Management Console. Click on Create Function and choose Author from Scratch. Provide a name for your function that reflects its purpose. Select a runtime, such as Python or Node.js. Set the execution role to allow access to both S3 and any other required services. After creating the function, write your data collection code. In the Lambda function editor, implement the logic for collecting data. Use SDKs like Boto3 for Python or AWS SDK for JavaScript to facilitate data access. Once your code is ready, save the function. Now, test the Lambda function to ensure it collects data correctly. Set up a trigger for your Lambda function. Navigate to the Configuration tab and click on Triggers. Choose an appropriate trigger, such as an S3 event or an API gateway. Configure the trigger settings according to your data collection needs. Next, integrate Amazon CloudWatch for monitoring. Go to the CloudWatch service in the AWS console. Create a new log group to track your Lambda function's executions. Set up alarms for error tracking and performance metrics. Now, automate data collection scheduling using Amazon EventBridge. Access the EventBridge service and create a new rule. Specify the frequency of data collection, such as hourly or daily. Assign the rule to trigger your Lambda function. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.